Hey, it's James with a video for those of you who like to use a little mystery to add an extra spark at the start of a relationship. Imagine this. Janice is on her second date with Ted. Janice is particularly good with her eyes. She can communicate more with her eyes than many people can communicate with their mouths. Janice has been working an angle she is particularly good at. She's playing the mysterious yet interested angle in her interactions with Ted. It's working. Ted is interested. He definitely wants more. So where do things go from here? You can only play the mysterious angle for so long. For some women I have coached, it is their leading act. They are really good at it, but these women often struggle when their relationship begins to deepen, becoming more real and personal. What do you do next? Some people suggest you just give it up all at once. I say they are not using their imagination. They want to cut the romantic tension too soon. When a relationship is just beginning, the romantic tension is an essential element. It acts like a bonding glue that keeps the fragile relationship going until it has strength of its own, built on commitment and love. Here's the advice I have given to several women who lead with an element of mystery in their interpersonal style. 1. Drop the mystery when it comes to your personal history, your interests, your life situation, and your hopes and plans for the future. 2. Keep the mystery when it comes to your intentions regarding the relationship. 3rd, gradually transition your sultry, mysterious qualities of interaction into playful romantic tension. 4. Sustain that romantic tension for as long as you want to keep the passion alive in your relationship, hopefully forever. What is romantic tension? In a nutshell, romantic tension is that special quality you sense between two lovers who still find ways to arouse the interest of their mate, even after years of companionship. Some people are naturals when it comes to generating romantic tension at the start of a relationship. It's much easier to generate romantic tension when it is still a natural element of the unfolding relationship. It becomes more difficult the longer you remain in the same relationship. With a little effort, romantic tension can become a cornerstone, supporting a long-term relationship you treasure. You can learn much more about the concept of romantic tension in the training materials available to you through my website. For now, I'll leave you with one simple example. It's a made-up example, but it's the one that I offered to Janice just before I saw the light of comprehension light up in her eyes. Romantic tension is a playful way of flirting with your partner. Ted, so, it's our second date. Are we likely to have a third? Janice, that depends. Ted, on what? Janice. Long pause before answering. 2 things. Ted, okay, I'm listening. Janice, your reasons for wanting a third date with me for one, and the second one's a secret. At this point, Ted launches into his best attempt to politely, yet truthfully, express the various forms of his admiration for Janice. She nods and offers playful encouragement, no longer presenting a mysterious exterior, but transitioning to this playful form of romantic banter. What was her second criteria, you ask? But that's a secret, and just like Ted, you'll have to wait to find out. If this video gave you a fresh perspective on love and relationships, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It may seem small, but it makes a huge difference, helping me share this message with more people who are searching for real connection and lasting love. Thanks for being part of this journey.